In this video, I'll show you 7 effective methods to stop your iPhone X from overheating, whether it's during charging, gaming, or daily use. These tips will help keep your phone cool. Let's get started. Method 1. Avoid direct sunlight. Never leave your iPhone X in hot environments like cars, windowsills, or direct sunlight. iPhones can overheat quickly even if idle in hot surroundings. Method 2. Remove the phone case. Some thick or non-ventilated cases trap heat. Remove the case while charging or gaming to improve heat dissipation. Method 3. Close background apps. Swipe up from the bottom and close unused apps. Background apps increase CPU usage and heat generation. Method 4. Turn off unused features. Disable Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, AirDrop, and location services when not needed. Go to Settings Privacy Location Services. In Control Center for toggling other features. Method 5. Avoid fast charging or charging while gaming. Don't use your phone while charging. Avoid using non-certified chargers or cables that can cause overheating. Method 6. Update iOS. Bugs in iOS can cause battery drain and heat issues. Go to Settings General Software Update and install any available updates. Method 7. Reset all settings. If the issue persists, try resetting all settings. This won't delete data. Go to Settings General Transfer or Reset iPhone Reset all settings. Bonus tip. If your phone is still overheating, check the battery health and settings. A weak or damaged battery can also be the cause. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more iPhone fixes and smart tech tips.